Okay, so here is a reversible micro USB cable. So as you can see, here is a normal USB port and here is a reversible micro USB port. Kind of neat. And this is called MicFlip and comes from winnergear.com. So you can buy it on winnergear.com and a lot of other places. So let's see how it looks and feels in my hands and so on. As you can see down here, you see that is a braided cable, tangle free, and it has an aluminum shell and gold coating, corrosion resistance, and of course a reversible micro USB plug. And it also says that it has fully reversible micro USB cable compatible with all micro USB devices. So that's pretty neat. Like that. Feels very good in the hand. Very high quality. This is very, very high quality. And very long cable too. I like that. I can actually feel that this have a very high quality. It feels very, very good. So this cable is one of the best I have ever held in my hand. Feels very good. The build quality is excellent. MicFlip cable from Winner Gear. So let's see how easy it is to plug in into a micro USB port. I have some wireless Bluetooth headphones here from Philips, and to charge these headphones you have to use a micro USB charger. So let's see if I can just plug this in. As easy as that. Works really great. So if I turn it around and plug that in, perfect, very easy. It's like having a lightning port in these headphones now because of this reversible micro USB cable. It makes it so easy to plug it in. I really like this. So that was the MicFlip from winnergear.com. I will link to where you can buy this down below in the description text of this video. Okay, bye.